Hey guys, so also on today's video, I'm going to be making some Chinese style shrimp fried rice. Obviously, I can't eat shrimp fried rice, but my husband loves shrimp and he's at work right now, but I'm going to save it for him for when he comes home. And so yeah, so today I'm making some easy, simple, amazing, super delicious Chinese style shrimp fried rice. Let's get started.
Alright you guys, so these are my ingredients right here. I have everything laid out and ready to go. Over here I have my frozen peas and carrots. I have fresh ginger. I have fresh garlic, scallions. Over here are my eggs that I beat up with some black pepper. I didn't add any salt. I'm going to use some sriracha for heat. Of course, sesame oil, soy sauce, and hoisin sauce. Of course, this is my rice and this is my shrimp. This is about a pound of shrimp. So to season the shrimp, I'm going to add salt and pepper and some of my ginger and all of the garlic. I decided to do it this way instead of, sauteing it down to prevent it mostly from burning. And also I wanted to get some seasoning down into the shrimp. So you want to mix that up, put it to the side while we start the cooking process. Alright, so this is the oil in my pan. I'm going to start with the eggs. And basically, you don't want to get any color on the eggs, so make sure your heat is not too high. Just move it around. As soon as the egg sets, I'm going to remove it. I'm not going to keep cooking it until it's rock solid hard. As soon as it's, set just like that, I removed it because I want it to be nice and fluffy in the fried rice. Next, you want to add the shrimp, the seasoned shrimp down in here and saute it down for about 3 minutes just to, cook it through. As soon as it turns pink, it's done. Just like this. Y'all, I just wish I can eat seafood. It's so annoying that I have to suffer because shrimp is probably one of the most beautiful proteins to me, in my opinion, but I can't have it. So anyway, you want to remove that from the skillet. Next, you're going to add your frozen peas and carrots. Saute that really well, and then we're going to move on. So after you add your rice, you want to break that down. I actually cooked that rice earlier this morning. I can definitely tell the difference between day-old rice and rice you cook the same day. So now you want to add the soy sauce, the hoisin, and the sesame oil. Mix that up and cook it down for another 3 minutes or so. Also your sriracha. Again, the sriracha is definitely optional. I didn't have any chilies because I definitely would have put it in there. So I used a little bit of sriracha. Believe me, you're not going to taste sriracha in your fried rice. It's just for a little heat. And then now you're just going to start adding all your shrimp. Oh, look at that shrimp, y'all. You're going to add all your scallions down in here. I use lots and lots of scallions, so make sure you get some good scallions, guys. So you want to mix that up, and that's pretty much it. We're pretty much done. It's pretty fast. The prep is what takes a little bit to chop everything up, but the rice was pretty easy to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and let me know what you think below. Let me know what fried rice is your favorite rice. Do you like chicken fried rice, beef fried rice? What's the tea? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.